Welcome to Outdoorsumo.com. Hi guys, today I will show you Eggboard's mini longboard bamboo wood, sustainable compact skateboard for adults and kids. Easy to carry, smooth to ride. About this item: extra smooth rides in your pocket. Born from a partnership between Eggboards and Shark Wheels. Stable and faster with less friction. Shark Wheels reduce contact patch and increase performance. Easy to carry. Fits backpacks and lockers, accepted on flights as carry-on, less than 22 inches. Rides on sand, water, and uneven grounds thanks to Shark Wheels' unique design and durability. Sustainable natural bamboo deck. Durable wood, eco-friendly with fast natural regrowth. Brand Eggboards. Material 100% bamboo wood. Color Shark Wheels aqua blue. Thanks for visit this channel.